Hi everyone, my name is Joy, licensed manicurist, and I want to show you all today how to do a long-lasting self-manicure with OPI polish. So in addition to my OPI polishes here, I have my base coat and my top coat. I'm also going to be using a bit of acetone and a buffer. So a few things with doing a manicure that's going to last you a long time is you want to make sure that you have a smooth and clean surface. So the first thing you want to do to make sure that the surface is very smooth is you want to buff it. Okay, and you just lightly use this motion all over the whole nail. This is going to smooth out any lines and ridges and make sure that the polishes have a smooth surface to adhere to. And then you also want to make sure that any oils or any dirt or anything has been cleaned off of the nail surface. So that's what we're using the acetone for. Okay, and we're just firmly wiping all the way from the cuticle down to the bottom of the nail. Okay, and then what's going to make the polish stick is going to be your base coat. Okay, and following that up with your OPI polish, color of your choice. And the key here is actually to make sure that you are covering all the way over the tip of the nail and that you're doing 2 coats. Okay, 2 coats is going to ensure smooth color, and it's going to give the manicure just a bit more strength. Okay, for now I'm just doing 1, but make sure that you actually do 2 because it's going to look a lot better. Okay, it's going to give you that nice finished look that you want. And then following up with the top coat, and that's going to make it protected and it's going to make it last a lot longer, giving you professional results. Okay, so there you go. You follow these steps and you should actually have that long-lasting OPI manicure that you're going for. So thank you all for watching, and my name is Joy. Bye.